Hi guys, what's going on? Well, I'm showing you different bows from Primark, and they
No,
have
there is.
different styles, different color, and different prices. Come on guys, all we girlies, it's the bow season. Why don't you pop into Primark? Primark got value for money. This red one, oh, it's so gorgeous. And guess what? You need to come and get them, because if we don't get them now, it's gonna be
Yeah, video that's
the
why.
winter season's coming up soon. So all these bows are gonna go down, down, down. You won't get them again. So I guess we have to pop into Primark and get them. Some are for like £3 and some are £4. It all depends on your
Not so.
style. I got for myself, so I just got one. I'm in my girly era at the moment, so this is I like a bit leopard print. What do you think?